Deleting or forgetting a saved Wi-Fi network on the Galaxy S25 helps remove outdated or problematic connections, requiring manual reconnection if needed. Here's how it's done. Start by tapping the Home button to go back to the home screen. From there, swipe down from the top of the screen and tap the Settings icon. Once you're in Settings, scroll down and select Connections, then tap on Wi-Fi. At the top, tap the More Options button and choose Advanced Settings from the pop-up menu. Now, in the Network Settings section, tap on Manage Networks. Find the Wi-Fi network you want to remove, touch and hold it until it's selected, then tap Delete at the bottom. Alternatively, you can tap on the network and select Forget to remove it. And that's it. The network has been deleted, and you'll need to reconnect manually if you ever want to use it again. If this guide helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.